Older adults exercising, walking, lifting light weights, smiling, enjoying life. Are you over 40 and starting to feel weaker, stiffer, or less energetic? Don't worry. Your best years aren't over. In fact, there's a hidden way elders can train to rebuild strength, stay active, and feel young again. For life. Comparison of a sedentary person versus an active elder. As we age, our muscles naturally shrink and our metabolism slows down. But here's the truth. It's not age that makes you weak. It's inactivity. With the right type of training, you can rebuild strength, flexibility, and energy even after 40, 50, or 60. The hidden training method. Simple strength movements. Squats, push-ups, resistance bands, walking uphill. The secret is not heavy gym workouts. It's functional strength training. That means exercises that mimic daily movements. Squats for sitting and standing, planks for core balance, resistance bands for joint-friendly muscle tone. Start small, stay consistent. Even 15 minutes a day makes a huge difference. Meditation, stretching, deep breathing. Combine movement with mindfulness. Stretch, breathe deeply, and focus on posture. A strong mind keeps your body young, and a strong body keeps your mind sharp. Happy seniors walking outdoors, smiling confidently. Remember, strength has no age limit. Start today, train smart, and live strong for life. If you found this inspiring, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health and fitness tips.